The Great Gatsby, Chapter 4, Pop Quiz. What does Gatsby tell Nick about himself? He's from a wealthy family in the Midwest? His parents were famous actors? Or he was born in Italy? Who does Gatsby introduce Nick to at lunch? His sister, Meyer Wolfsheim, or George Wilson? Who exactly is Mr. Wolfsheim? Jordan's golf coach, a gambler, or the head of Gatsby's company? What favor does Jordan ask Nick on Gatsby's behalf? To invite Daisy over for tea? To set up a meeting with Tom? Or to loan him some money? According to Jordan, why did Gatsby buy that particular house? Because it was the fanciest? Because it's close to Daisy? Or because it has a private underground tunnel? Gatsby says he's from two different places, the Midwest and where? Chicago, Philadelphia, or San Francisco? From which country is the war medal that Gatsby shows Nick? Albania, Montenegro, or France? What does Gatsby show to the police officer to avoid getting into trouble while driving? A little white card? A photo of himself at Oxford? Or a gun? What does Gatsby do when Nick introduces him to Tom? Punch him, pretend they're best friends, or run away? What happened on the day of Daisy's wedding to Tom? Tom was caught with a maid in the hotel? Daisy tried to back out of the wedding? Or Gatsby showed up and tried to stop the ceremony? Who is at Gatsby's house so often that people called him the Boarder? Wilson, Parvati, or Klipspringer? How does Gatsby behave when telling Nick about his past? Nervous, emotional, or sad? What unique item is Wolfsheim wearing? A peacock feather hat, human teeth cufflinks, or alligator shoes? In what year did Daisy and Gatsby first meet? 1917, 1920, or 1922? Who was in the car with Tom when he had his accident? Daisy and their daughter? Some unnamed but suspicious men? Or a maid from the hotel they were staying in? How many answers did you get right? Check your grade.